Good morning students, welcome to your GK class. Now let's start our class as usual with some questions, and for today the question is, where is Niagara Falls located? Niagara Falls was strongest and the most powerful waterfall as well as most beautiful waterfall in the world. So where it is located? Your options are in Canada or USA, or border of Canada and USA, or in Japan. What's your answer? Niagara Falls is located on the border of Canada and USA. There are some cities, New York and Ontario. Both the cities is from New York is from USA and Ontario is located in Canada, and it is just Niagara Falls located in the border of both the cities or both the countries, we can say. Okay, so Niagara Falls is located on the border of both the cities. After that, was the largest waterfall? What's the name of the world's largest waterfall? Angel Fall. Angel Fall, which is located in Venezuela country, and Venezuela is located in the South America continent. Okay, so world's largest fall, Angel Fall, which is located in Venezuela. After that, Victoria Fall, it is also a largest fall, and Victoria Fall is located in the Southern Africa, and it is also located on the border of both the countries Zambia and Zimbabwe. So this is all about for all these three falls. The Niagara Fall, most beautiful, powerful, strongest fall. After that, Angel Fall was the largest fall, and Victoria Fall also. Okay, and the second question is, where is the Great Sandy Desert present? Great Sandy Desert in Western Asia, South America, United States, or Western Australia? Where it is located? It is located in Western Australia. The Great Sandy Desert is located in Western Australia. So what is the name of the largest desert? We know about this. There are two types of deserts, cold desert and hot desert. In our science classes we already discussed about this. And in India, cold desert, Ladakh, remember? Okay, so in India, Ladakh is a cold desert, and Antarctica region, Arctic region, both are the biggest desert. Cold desert in the world, and hot desert. What is the name of the biggest hot desert of the world? Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is located in North Africa. Morocco is a place where the large part of this Sahara Desert located. So it is found in North Africa. Okay, and after Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert is also a second largest desert or hot desert in the world, and it is also located in northeastern part of China and southern Mongolia also. So this is all about for the desert. Great Sandy Desert is located in Western Australia, and after that Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is located in North Africa. Gobi Desert is the part of the northeastern part of China. Okay, so this is all about for the cheeky questions, and let's turn to our chapter. For today, the name of our chapter is Civic Sense. We are well civilized persons, and we have to be some civic sense. Whenever we visit some historical monuments, places, we have to be show some decent behavior whenever we visit any historical place or temple or any public places, So we have to be very decent about all these things. never try to dirty all these places, है ना. So there is written some things, some activities which are correct for these places or not. We have to be selected. Okay. So let's read about one by one. Okay. So first one is Sarita turned off the car stereo when they approaches the temple. Yes, of course. We have to be turned off this so that we just save our fuel as well as air pollution also, है ना. So it's a good thing. So it is a correct option. Mr. Suraj honked just outside the temple. The temple is a very, very holy place. We have to be very peaceful there. Don't produce noise there, है ना. This is the bad manner. Okay. So this one is incorrect. The third one is Mrs. Suraj pushed her way to the front of the queue to buy entrance tickets. If you want to buy some entrance tickets, so then you push up anyone? No. This is not the right way. है ना? So it's a completely wrong thing. This is false. The fourth one is Sarita carefully read the small leaflet on the temple's history meant for visitors. Why we visit any historical place or temples who are old one? So we know about this. Recently we covered about falls or desert. Mean by that each and everything we have to be know about each and everything whenever we visit any place. So it's our duty also to know about the history of that place, how it forms, है ना. So we have to be read out all these things carefully. It's a good thing, है ना. It increases your knowledge, है ना. So it is a good thing. It is true. Number 5. When her brother Ramesh found a small statue lying on the ground, he wanted to take it home. His father did not let him to do so. Yes, this is the government property, or it is not for the personal use. This is not fair. We don't have to do this. Okay, so don't do this, and this is completely true. Mr. Suraj ate a banana and threw the skin in a garbage bin kept there. Yes, it's our prime duty to clean up all these places which are historical or temple, whatever whenever we go or visit all these things. This is our duty to clean all these things, है ना. Don't spread out garbages everywhere. It's a completely wrong thing. So Mr. Suraj ate a banana and threw the skin in garbage bin kept there. It is true. Number 7. Ramesh ate a toffee and threw the wrapper in the temple premises. How this is possible? Temples are very, very holy places for all of us. We don't have to do so. This is completely wrong thing, है ना. Don't throw it in the premises of the temple or anywhere. Always keep all these garbages, all the waste things in the dustbin. Government always provide all the dustbin, so we have to throw it in the dustbin, not in the premises. It's wrong. Number 8. Mrs. Suraj spoke so loudly that her voice echoed through the temple. In temple, we have to be very feel very peace and calm, है ना. So don't produce noise there. It is a very holy place, है ना. So don't spoke so loudly and echoed your voice in the entire temple. All the rest of the people who are just came to visit this, they are also disturbed with this, है ना. This is not fair. Don't do this. So it's completely wrong. Number 9. Ramesh wrote the date of their visit with chalk on a wall of the temple. Again, no. Temples are very pure one, and whenever you visit any historical places or various of people write there something. No. These are the government property. These are our national properties. We don't do like this. If any another outsiders visit our these monuments or whatever, what they think about ourselves? है ना? Around the temples. Temples are very, very holy for all of us. So don't do this. It's completely wrong. Number 10. Mr. Suraj used his camera to take a picture of the temple, ignoring the sign that said photography prohibited. If photography prohibited, then what's the need to click the photographs there? Is this fair? No, we don't do this. है ना? Photographs, if photographs inhibited, so we are not going to be take any photograph there. This is completely wrong. Number 11. Mrs. Suraj took the snack bags home. Very good. There's no need to throw it in anywhere, है ना? Just take out for your these snack bags for your home and throw it there, है ना? So it's a good thing. So it's true. Number 12. Before leaving, Sarita plucked some flowers from the temple premises. Flowers are just beautiful things, and it gives the premises a beautiful location and beautiful look also. So it's our duty. It's our duty to save them, not to pluck out all them and just go take it to go for our home. It's completely wrong thing. So it's false. So this is all about for the civic sense. We have to be very decent, very mannerful person whenever we visit the historical places, temples, holy places, है ना? Then only we have to be created a good nation. So all of you are the coming generation. So always think over this. Okay? So this is all about your chapter. Have a great day, everyone.